Have you ever dreamt of studying in Europe? Picturing yourself strolling through the romantic streets of Paris, exploring the vibrant culture of Barcelona, or immersing yourself in the rich history of Rome? Today, we're going to guide you through the process of applying for the Erasmus Plus scholarships, your golden ticket to making that dream a reality. Erasmus Plus scholarships, funded by the European Union, provide an excellent opportunity for students worldwide to study in Europe. It's a comprehensive program that covers a wide range of academic disciplines and offers substantial financial support. But how do you secure one of these coveted scholarships? Follow me as we navigate the application process together. The first step is understanding your eligibility. Erasmus Plus scholarships are open to students worldwide. You do, however, need to be enrolled in a higher education institution and pursuing a degree. It's also worth noting that the scholarships are particularly competitive, so excellent academic performance is a must. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to dive into the research phase. The Erasmus Plus program offers a diverse range of opportunities, from undergrad to doctorate level, and across a multitude of disciplines. Spend time exploring the Erasmus Plus online catalog to identify the courses and institutions that align with your academic goals and interests. Next comes the application. This is your chance to shine, to showcase your academic achievements, and to demonstrate your passion for your chosen field. You'll need to provide academic transcripts, a motivation letter, and, in some cases, a recommendation letter. Remember, this is a competitive process, so it's crucial to put your best foot forward. Once you've submitted your application, it's time to practice patience. The review process can take several months, but don't fret. This is a normal part of the process. While you wait, continue to focus on your studies and keep your academic performance strong. The final step, of course, is the much-anticipated acceptance. If you're successful, you'll receive an acceptance letter detailing your scholarship specifics. Congratulations, your European adventure is about to begin. To recap, the Erasmus Plus scholarship application process involves checking your eligibility, conducting thorough research, submitting a polished application, practicing patience during the review process, and hopefully celebrating your acceptance. Applying for an Erasmus Plus scholarship is no small feat, but the rewards are immeasurable. A world of knowledge, cultural immersion, and lifelong friendships await. So why not take the leap? The European adventure of your dreams could be just an application away. Good luck, future scholars!